To help with this question, let's work through the requirement together. We need to work out how much would be recorded as sales tax at 25% in the cash book on the 30th of June. And the question does give us information about a credit sale for which we're receiving cash that amounts to 560 and an actual cash sale which amounts to 720. Now, because the question is asking us specifically for the tax that would be recorded in the cash book, you can disregard the credit sale amount that we're receiving because the tax would have been recorded at the point that the invoice is recorded. So we're going to ignore the 560. Now, the cash sale of 720 that we receive from a customer, that is an amount that's going to be inclusive of the tax amount. So it is a gross amount. Now, if tax is 25%, our cost structure would imply that the net is 100%, tax is 25%, and the gross is 125%. Now, for any tax questions, it really helps to visualize this cost structure, and we would encourage you to refer back to the lesson within this section that goes through this in a video tutorial as well. What you then want to do is populate the numbers that you do know. We know in this question that the gross amount is 720, but bear in mind that 720 is representing 125%. So to work out the tax amount, all you're going to do is take the 720, divide it by 125. Doing this will give us 1% of the amount. Once we know what 1% is, if we want 25%, we're going to multiply it by 25. And what that will give us, if we put this in our calculator, is $144, which is option D, or the last option in this question. Now, just for completeness, what we'll also do is we'll do 720 minus the 144 to give us the net amount of 576. Okay, so I'm just working backwards to get that amount. Or if you were plugging this in your calculator, another way to check this is to do 720 divided by 125, multiply it by 100, and you will also get 576. Hopefully that helps you with your question.